Brekkie his bike. I just got home from Dubai run today. Nothing happened. It's not like before. Sobrang daming tao kanina. And ang hirap. Parang hindi naman makakatakbo lahat. Kakain na lang kami ng breakfast. Kasi wala na kaming napala. Bike lang kami. But we only have one bike. We're gonna run one more safari. Ayan.
Bebe, wait! Huwag ka pumidal. Hintayin mo ko.
Hello, I'm back. We're on our way to the meeting. It's already 2:16. 3 PM yung meeting ko, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be late or... Oh. I'm home. I still need to work. Hindi pa tapos ang working hours. So, I'll just continue my work and then out na ako ng 5. Hi! Hi guys! It's Thursday today. Last day ko today at work. Naka-leave ako bukas because I'm going to Japan Consulate? I don't know. Whatever, how you pronounce it. And I'll be going there to submit my my documents. I'll let you know guys what documents are needed. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya lahat. I'm off to a meeting with Anantara downtown and I have to collect some samples in Al Qusais. Kind of far, but I have to do it.
We have breakfast here.
Only until 11.
We are not serving breakfast now.
Ah, okay. Okay guys, nothing to see here naman. Hindi siya maganda. Charot. Puro warehouse lang rin kasi, so nothing to see, walang magandang view. This is what I collected, the chocolate coins. I needed these samples because one of our clients, they're looking for chocolate coins para sa Chinese New Year. Guys, hindi ko sinasagot yung ka-meeting ko. I'll be having my lunch na lang muna. Alam nyo, every time na order ako ng Big Mac, sobrang nangihinayang ako kainin. Kasi sobrang perfect niya talaga. Bon appetit, guys! Hey guys! So, ito na nga. I-share ko na nga. Nakalak na siya actually. As I've mentioned earlier, I'll be going to Japan Consulate tomorrow for I have to submit my documents. By the way guys, I live in Dubai. I'm a first-time applicant for this. So, let's see what's gonna happen. Lahat naman ng documents na to based on nakasulat dun sa VFS. So, before, free lang talaga siya. If you're a Philippine passport holder, wala kang babayaran sa Japan visa. But now, they partnered with VFS. May fee na you have to pay 100 dirhams for VFS service charge. Okay. Share ko lang. May plano kong gawin bukas. Pero di ko muna i-share. Pag nag-grant na ako ng Japan Consulate, okay? Pag may visa yung passport ko. Hindi ko na papakita. Okay, first things first, of course, you have to bring the appointment letter. You also have to print the checklist. Unang-una dito, of course, the visa application form. So, of course, the visa application form. And you have to stick your photo here. Don't staple it, guys, kasi naka-mention na don't staple daw. So, glue lang or paste. And dito merong, kailangan nyo ilagay yung names and addresses ng hotels na pagsistayan. So, if you have like more than one hotel, kailangan nyo ilagay yung pinaka-first na pagsistayan nyo dito. Pinaka-first. Yung first na pagsistayan nyo dito. And then, of course, passport copy. As a UAE residents, we have to print the residence visa and the Emirates ID. I think if you don't have this nasa passport nyo, meron pa rin siyang soft copy. So, you can get that from your HR. Next, the ticket. So, I'll be flying with Cathay Pacific. And may layover ako sa Hong Kong. 4 hours lang naman yung papunta. Pero pa uwi, 20 hours. So, I'll be staying there for a day. A day nga ba? Anyway. And then, of course, the hotel booking. Lahat ng hotels na pagsistayan nyo. And itinerary in Japan. Guys, dito I think you have to be specific. Well, ginaya ko lang naman yung nakalagay dun sa template ng VFS. Pero sabi ng friend ko, kahit di na daw ilagay yung pag-ride ng train. Pero, nilagay ko pa rin. Again, just in case. Next one, NOC. No objection, no objection certificate. Kailangan nyo mention yung salary nyo, yung dates ng travel. Your company has to mention na they do not object sa travel nyo. Last but not the least, the bank statement, guys. 3 months, but I printed 4 months. Ano lang. And of course, the most important thing, your passport, guys. Yeah, I think that's it. So, update ko na lang kayo bukas dun sa secret ko. Okay, guys, pray for me. I hope I'll get the visa. I'll take you with me tomorrow. See ya! Baby, can you stay So guys, tapos na. Grabe yung kaba ko. Well, hindi naman siya hassle. Matagal siya kasi isa lang yung receptionist doon. Okay, by the way guys, bawal magdala ng ibang gadget. Papaiwan nila sa cloakroom. Phone lang yung pwede ipasok sa loob. Fortunately, may dala akong laptop. May dala akong camera. So pagpasok ko, nasa pinakadulo yung Japan visa eh. Pagpasok ko, meron dong reception. So, mag-isa lang siya. Dagan nyo naman. Kawawa naman si ate. Siya lang yung nabibengbang ng mga tao. Chine-check niya isa-isa yung papers. Yung 4 na nauna sa akin, sila pinapabalik. Tapos, kakabahan na ako. Yung iba, digital kasi yung company seal. Tapos, hindi nakasulat na electronically generated. Thank you Lord talaga. Pagdating sa akin, walang problema. Ang bilis ko nakakuha ng token. Ito na nga yung secret ko, guys. Sa counter, sabi ko, can I change my application to multiple entry? Kasi nga single entry lang yung in-apply ko. Single entry or e-visa? Basta single lang. Single visa lang. Tapos, sabi ni Kuya Boy, check niya daw sa supervisor niya kung pwede. Ando lang yung supervisor niya sa tabi. Hindi ko na narinig pero for sure tinanong niya kung papayagan ba ako, ganun, ganyan. May nakanda kasi akong cover letter. Meron dong form kailangan mong fill outan. Ni-scan ko lang yung mga stamps ng bansa na napuntahan ko. And meron kasi akong US visa. Nag-internship kasi ako sa US before. Pero 2018 pa yun. Tapos, sumayag yung supervisor. Guys, walang additional. By the way, kanina, before 10, nandun na ako. Dapat hindi. 15 minutes before ng appointment mo. Bumalik na lang ako ng 10:30. Nag-coffee club muna ako. So, yeah. Yun lang ang nangyari. Oh my gosh, thank you Lord. Sana mag-rant talaga. I'll let you know. Sabi nila 8 to 10 working days daw. Ayoko muna magsaya pero I'm really happy.